Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, we are going to talk about have and has. Have or has, it tells about something belongs to someone. For example, the girl has a dress. Okay, let's take a look to the document. We are going to read all of these subjective pronouns. And we have to remember about the differences of them. Okay, here I have. If the subject I, we have to use have, not has. On the next one, he, she, it. He, she, it are the third singular person, so you have to use has. We cannot use have because they are the third singular person. He has, she has, and it has. Okay, next, you, we, they are plural subject. We have to use have. We cannot use has or you, we, they. You have, we have, and they have. Okay, let me make one example. Now I will try on this pen. I have a pen. So it means this pen belongs to me. I use have. I have a pen. Okay, the second example, we are going to use this picture. This is a girl and there is a book here. If we look at the subjective pronoun, it's the same as she. So we use has. She has a book. She has a book. We use has. I know it's very easy for all of you guys. We just remember about the subjective pronouns. Let's try for more example. Here, I want you to put either have or has in the blanks of these sentences. Okay, let's try with the first sentence. Mr. John and Miss Yana blank a house. If we look at the subject, Mr. John and Miss Yana, it's the same as the subjective pronoun they. So we use have after the subject. Mr. John and Miss Yana have a house. We cannot use has because the subject is the same as they. Okay, the next one. The boy blank a jacket. If we see the subject, the boy is the same as subjective pronoun he. So we use has. The boy has a jacket. We cannot use the boy have because has is for the subject I and the plural subject. Next, you blank a car. Okay, we use have. You have. You have a car. The next one, she blank a dress. We put has after subject she. She has a dress. And the next one, the cat blank a fish. Again, the cat. The cat is an animal. So it's the same as the subject it. We use has, not have. So the sentence is the cat has a fish. Okay, the last one, my father and I blank a bicycle. If we see here, there is two subjects, my father and I. But if we think it's not the subject they, but my father and I, it's like the subject we. We have a bicycle. My father and I have a bicycle. Okay, that's all. We have to remember about the subjective pronoun. If the third singular person, we have to use has. And if the subject I or the plural subject, like we, you, we, they, so we have to use have. Okay, that's all. I hope you can understand about this lesson. Thanks for joining my video and see you next time.